Welcome back to Albany County Fasteners, Fasteners 101. I'm Bob, and today I want to show you these tearaway zip ties, installation and removal. Let's get started. So I have here a couple of tearaway zip ties. Basically you have a clasp, and then you have a little handle here. And these are typically used in either marking products where they want to remove these. If you have totes with tops on them and they want to seal what's in there to show that they were never broken in transit or for whatever other reasons. These are very simple to install, so I'm just doing it here on wires for demonstration purposes, but it operates the same way as you do a regular zip tie. And you just install it. The nice thing about these, you don't need any tools. You can just remove this with your hands, with your fingers, and you just grab this tab and just pull down, and it just breaks away. That's a tearaway zip tie. Thanks for watching. There you go. Subscribe, like, comment. Visit us at albanycountyfasteners.com for 50,000 SKUs right off the rack, ready to ship. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.